Today, we talk about the real story of Michael Jackson. Many people know him as the King of Pop. He was one of the most famous singers in the world. Millions of people loved his music, but his childhood was not happy. Michael was born in 1958 in Gary, Indiana. Gary was a small industrial city in the United States. His family was not rich. They lived in a small house. Michael had many brothers and sisters. There were 9 children in the family. The house was always loud and busy. His father, Joe Jackson, was very strict. He wanted his children to become famous musicians. He believed music could change their lives. When Michael was only 5 years old, he started singing in a family group. The group was called the Jackson 5. At first, it was just for fun, but soon it became serious. They practiced every day. After school, they did not play outside. They did not relax. They practiced music for many hours. Sometimes they practiced late at night. Michael was very young. He was tired, but he could not stop. His father was very demanding. He wanted everything perfect. If the boys made mistakes, he was angry. Michael later said he was often afraid of his father. He felt pressure all the time. Other children played games. They watched cartoons. They went to birthday parties. Michael did not have this life. When he was 8 years old, the Jackson 5 became famous. They signed a contract with Motown Records. Their songs became #1 in America. People loved Little Michael. He had a beautiful voice and amazing energy. He was smiling on stage. He danced and sang. He looked happy, but inside, he was still just a child. He traveled around the country. He stayed in hotels. He worked almost every day. He missed school. He missed friends. He missed a normal childhood. Fame came very fast. Money came very fast. But childhood never came back. As Michael grew older, he became a global superstar. His albums like Thriller became the best-selling albums in history. He broke records. He won awards. He changed pop music forever. His dance moves were different. His voice was unique. His style was unforgettable. But success did not remove the pain of childhood. Michael often said he felt lonely. He said he did not understand how to live like a normal adult. He never learned how to be a normal child. He created a big house called Neverland Ranch. It had rides, animals, and games. It looked like a dream park. Many people believe he built Neverland because he wanted to feel like a child again. He wanted to play. He wanted to feel free. When people saw the superstar, they saw success. They saw money, fame, and concerts. But behind the lights, there was a man who lost something very important: his childhood. Michael Jackson showed the world something important. Success has a price. Hard work is important. Discipline is important. But children need love, safety, and play. His story is not only about music. It is about pressure. It is about dreams. It is about sacrifice. He became the King of Pop. He inspired millions. His music still lives today, but his life also teaches us something deeper. Fame cannot replace a happy childhood. Money cannot replace emotional safety. Success cannot replace love. Michael Jackson's life was bright and dark at the same time. Cold blue shadows and warm golden lights. He showed us talent. He showed us perfection, but he also showed us pain. Today, when we listen to his music, we can remember the little boy from Gary, a small child with a big voice, a child who worked when others played, a child who smiled on stage but felt alone inside. His story is powerful. It teaches us to follow our dreams, but also to protect our hearts. Work hard, dream big, but never forget what truly matters: family, love, balance. Because success is beautiful, but a healthy childhood is priceless. If you liked this story, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more inspiring stories and improve your English at the same time.